Hey, welcome everybody. Here's Daniel. Today we are going to go over some updates I done to our code here and some new function that help me be able to get more information from our objects. So, first thing I'm going to talk about is we have our code packages. So I created my own code package, and this allowed me to create a get objects and a describe fields object. Okay. So this get objects will describe an object. So if we give it an object name, it could go ahead and take that object name and give us some results. And we get our map of names, and we get this describe results. And we can also get like object names. So you can go ahead and create other functions to get specific information from the object name. Okay. So what I'm thinking is this will give me some options of objects to choose from, right? And then we can drill down and see the fields in those objects, and we can see the object field API name, and we can see the label and the type, right? So that's how we can use this, right? And then once we have a field, um, this one's kind of similar. This one says describe fields. So actually, so this one right here, see this one describe global. So that's getting all everything describe global. And then here we're using describe. And this one we actually put in the object name on this one. So this one describes the object name. Okay. So this one we give it the object name, and it could describe the fields and all that. And this one it gives us all the objects, I guess. Yeah. Describe global object info. Yeah. So this is like, so depending on how much permission your API has, is how much it can describe, you know. So this is kind of like discovering the whole, right, platform, tables and fields. And then this one is, oh, see here we're describing also the name. Yeah. So this is how we can get the names from that. And then once we have the name, we can just plug it into this one, and then this one will describe our object. Okay, and then we are authenticating, and then we are SM connection. So this is using the connection that's already authenticated, right? JS4's connection URL. Yeah. So what we did is I just copy our baseline, and now I can add all the functions I want, right? And this is authenticating. So see, it's in the backend code. So now if I want to add new functions, right, if I go to JS4s, right, I can now add, see, this is a describe, Then, there's more like history stuff, you know. So you can like it's easier now to kind of like design the pages that's gonna have like the information that you truly want to get. You can even do like analytics, you know. So you're not limited to that package, right? So I unlock the package basically. So you just create your own package, and now you can create all these other, bulk API. So one of the goals that we have on this project is we are populating a Wix database, right? So we're using the Wix database. So the Wix database is what's gonna display, right, in the website. And the way I'm thinking is our Wix database is empty, right? It's an empty collection. So most of our base information is in the Salesforce platform, right? Salesforce. So what we can do is, look, they have a bulk API. Let's see what this does. Load from records, right? So if we have the record ID, we can load these accounts, right? So active, we display around 20 to 40 active or more. It could be more or less. But what I've seen so far is around 20 to 40 active records every month, and they go from available to complete, and depending on the status is where we have the information. I guess we could download the whole thing. There's around 3,500, right? So if we take a look at that, um, anything over 50,000 is a problem, right? So we're way below that. So I don't think, as far as the collection size is an issue, right? It's a really modest size, which, in its lifetime will probably not reach that top level. So it could. Now, okay, let's stop here.